money where we watch two Uber drivers try to find their way out of ride sharing through day trading. All right. Or watch green line crossover. No, don't. Damn, I always get it wrong. The yellow line cross over the green line. All right. Here we go today. I have always traded the SPY and Amazon. Hold on. And Amazon. I put my nice little squiggly lines. Oh, at Amazon and Tesla. Yes. Yes. All right, here we go. Let's go. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. It is 27, 8:27 my time and 9:27 somewhere else Eastern. What I'm going to be watching for today is there is some news today. Let me see. Today is the 5th. So on the 5th, 8:15, 9:45, U.S. Financial U.S. Services PMI. So I might wait until 9:45 and ISM services. I do not know what it is. All I know is that it's news, and I want to know what it does after news. So there is a rule of my rule number one is wait 15 to 30 minutes. Rule number one, wait 15 to 30 minutes. Um, all right, 15 to 30 minutes before I make my first trade. I need the stock to take off in a particular direction. I need the market to decide which way it wants to go. And then I make my trade from there, usually on the pullback. Let's make this money. Now, the only big news that's been going on right now is the whole Trump thing going into the court. So, taking a lot of people's eyes off of what's really going on. But right now, I don't care. All I want to do is trade the market, make some money, 5 or 10%, and then I am out. And I'm trading two accounts, a live paper trading account, and the other one is a paper account. So what I usually do is I take my where is it? I take my chart right here and the little three lines. I detach it, and I put this one somewhere else, and I trade this. But I switch this one over into paper trading. So all right, the market is open right now. Ding, 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 ding. Can I throw it to Ching? Nope, nope. I can never figure out what my stream deck wants to do. So, all right. So this is my Tesla. This is yesterday's open, yesterday's high, yesterday's low, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark today's open, which is gonna be right there. Let's do this. Right there is gonna be today's open. All right, 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna do the dom. I'm gonna do the dom. So I'm not gonna make no trades, but I'm gonna set up my paper account. All right, let's do this. This one is gonna be paper trading. That's right. Now, this is what I look at. All right, so market is just down. It's trending down. So I'm very bearish right now. If I look at it, still going down. Look at it, still going down. What's with the QQQs? QQQs. Oh my God, look at the QQQs. It's still going down. This is just another one of those stocks. Vinny likes his stock. Vinny likes to trade these stocks. But look at this. Down, down, down. All right. So now let's see what the market does. We marked yesterday's high. Okay, there we go. And the low. We're gonna make some money on either SPY or Tesla. Air one shows some big movement. The Tesla right now is taking off. Well, it's not taking off. It's just going down. But I'm still gonna wait my 15 to 20 minutes. That's my 30 minutes. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna set up my paper account right here, which is gonna be on my. Wait. Oh, and let me mark today's open for the SPY. Sweet. I want to try to keep it as simple as I can for myself. So high, low, yesterday's high, low, and this is the open. Oh yeah. Now Yahoo knows. Let me see. Stock futures edge lower as gold gains. ADP, let me see. Private employers hire far fewer workers. Yeah, there's been a lot of people that got fired. As a matter of fact, me ride sharing, I've actually met some people that got fired and they were in the tech industry and now they're looking. So they came over to where I am to look for some jobs. That's why I want to do this. Wait, hold on. Do you hear? You didn't hear that. All right, that's why. So we are day trading our way out of rideshare. Don't want to rideshare anymore. Don't want to rideshare. It's still good money out there, but I can't do that stuff forever. So I am doing this. Day trading. Let's see what we have here. Oh, what is this? Charlie Javis? The founder accused of fraud by JP Morgan is arrested as the DOJ files a criminal charges. Oh, what did she do?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Alleging the former Frank CEO committed fraud when she sold her financial aid startup to JP Morgan Chase in September 2021 for $175 million. She faces more than 100 years in jail if convicted. Ooh, I wonder how that doesn't happen to high profile people that actually stand in Congress.
Hmm. Hmm.
She faces
Yeah,
more
right.
than 100 years in jail. Who's done that? Let me see. Department of Justice filed criminal charges against Charlie Jarvis Tuesday, alleging the former Frank CEO committed fraud when she sold her financial aid startup to JP Morgan Chase in September 2021 for 175 million.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah. I wonder who did that. Let me see. Yeah.
Oh God.
Some a very Latino person did that.
Oh, the fuck. Did you say a very Latino person did that?
Yeah, a very, very Latino person did that.
Oh my God, you're sick. I don't even know what's going on out here in the world today, man. I woke up like 10 minutes ago. My bad, y'all.
It's all right. You are forgiven.
Sorry, my bad, y'all. My bad.
You are forgiven. We didn't open Monday, and I think Commuter was looking for us. She's like, I didn't find your stream. I was like, oh, sorry, we didn't go on Monday.
Yeah, my bad, bro. My bad. I was hanging out with Ron last night, um, and my buddy Mike. It was absolutely the worst shit last night. And then after the Panther game, we were there and we got to talking. And then, bro, it was the weirdest shit. It's like we've been saying, if you get next to somebody you know, right, Eddie,
Uh huh.
if you're standing next to somebody you know that does Uber, you get a request, turn it down. It's going to go to the person next to you as long as you guys are on the same platform, right? It's going to go to the guy next to you.
Did you record it?
And more, no, because the shit was happening. So Ron was getting so mad, bro. I should have recorded it. I should have recorded it. So, right. Hey, so Mike gets a request. And it was all right. It wasn't, it wasn't terrible. Mike gets a request. And it's like 15 miles, $28. I said, well, that's about right. He declines it. So it immediately comes to me.
Uh huh.
15 miles, $30. So it went up $2 within 3 seconds of two different drivers. He got it, 15 miles, $28. He
So,
declined it. I got it, 15 miles, $30.
okay.
And Ron standing there like, did that just really happen? I said, bro, what do you think we've been talking about on the live streams and in the videos?
Yeah.
We're not making this up,
So,
dude.
in
This is
another
real
words,
stuff.
we can play the system that way. Go to a place.
Mm, not necessarily. Because not even 5 minutes later, I get a request. It was like 11 miles for $20. And it was going way out to the beach. And at this point, I should already have my app turned off, but I turned it down. It immediately went to my buddy Mike. Exact same trip, 11 miles, $18. Now we gave him the trip $2 cheaper.
Oh.
So it does. And then, like I said in the video I put out, what was that, Sunday, Monday, whenever I put it out, that when Lyft sent me a ride and I declined it, and then within like 30 seconds, they sent me the exact same ride, only a couple dollars cheaper.
So it looks like
So
they're auctioning off the ride to the lowest
yeah,
bidder.
but they're not only auctioning off the ride, they're also they're playing the crowd against, if there's a lot of drivers, they're gonna do it cheap. If it's a few drivers, they're gonna then they'll pay you correctly. bro. It's unbelievable, unbelievable.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of the mileage, so I see the mileage, and then I do it by that.
Yeah, I do it by mileage. The only time I'll look at time is if I know it's rush hour.
Yeah, and well, if it's
Okay.
rush hour, I always take short rides.
Yeah, exactly.
So I was trying to keep up with the news yesterday.
Uh huh. Uh huh.
Everybody is being distracted by this crap.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Very
yeah.
very
No,
distracted
they
by that crap. Not knowing that there's some
what?
this.
What news you?
No, it's just everything is the fucking case, the Trump case. So everybody's keeping an eye
Yeah.
on that, and nobody's keeping an eye on the markets. Um,
Yep.
because the Bidens had their hands dirty with their bank accounts with other things and stuff. And by the Budweiser, what's the ticket for Budweiser? I think Budweiser's gonna tank,
Anheuser Busch,
or Bud Light.
bro. Did you see Chris Rock's video or Kid Rock's video?
What about
Kid Rock,
uh,
American Badass. He turns around. It's a little video he put on Twitter. I saw it. He turns around. He's like, I only got one thing to say, and he yanks up
Bud?
an AR with 3 cases of beer sitting on a table, and he freaking lights it up. Ah!
Really? Yeah, no, I didn't see
Yeah,
that.
bro.
Well, I think Budweiser or Bud Light. Well, I don't know. Budweiser and Bud Light, they're the same thing. Um, I think their stock is gonna be hit a little bit
A little bit. Oh my god, they're gonna get killed.
because of that. I guess I guess they went woke.
Yeah,
They
but
went, and I think it's gonna. I mean, they don't understand who
I'll
they don't understand who the people are that actually drink their stuff.
yeah,
They're very
yeah,
manly men.
exactly.
So
Yeah,
I'm gonna
and
use
they
that
have
to my
and they
advantage. Ooh, if it does happen, I'm buying. I'm selling. I'm going short.
you're doing so.
I'm going short
Um,
on the stock.
yeah, I would think you wouldn't want to piss off your base,
Yeah.
and their base is not who they're targeting with that ad.
Oh wait, there's a big drop on Budweiser right now. It went from 66.96 to 66.75. I'm looking at the 2 minute daily. Yeah, let's see. I just have a funny feeling.
All right, market's going to the downside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you listen. You don't. If you're gonna call it. Budweiser's drink. People who drink Budweiser are generally blue collar, working people with a lack of melanin in their skin,
Melatonin.
and they speak broken English. You know what broken English is, right?
¿Dónde está el sanitario?
No, 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 no. That's not broken English. That's
Está
broken.
viejo y
That's
maldito. Oh no, not that
that
type of.
that no, that's broken Spanish.
Oh, okay.
Broken English is, hey y'all, how y'all be doing today? Y'all need to come on around y'all down here in the holler because we got a little cookout going on down here. Y'all bring y'all ass on around here, all right?
All I know is that if any I see any of my friends drinking Bud Light, um,
Well, you got to look now. Anheuser Busch, they own several products.
so I'm gonna be like, yo, wankers, just tuck it in,
All right.
tuck it,
What's going
baby.
on in this market,
I
dude?
don't know. It's not
Just
doing
had some
anything.
kind of just had some kind of news drop.
Well, we are the
Apparently,
only news that we have for today is, let me see, what's
no,
today's
it
the
was
fifth.
some big news today, wasn't it?
Well, at 8:15 was the unemployment. 8:30 was trade balance. We have the 9:45, which is the S&P final U.S. service, the PMI, and then at 10 a.m. is the ISM services, which I don't know what that is. ISM.
What was the oh shit? Let's see if I can. I'm telling you, bro, I'm way behind today. But it's Wednesday anyway. Wednesday's dangerous, you know. Wednesday can be a very dangerous day for well, every day can be dangerous for trading, I guess. What the hell? I don't want to know. Keep it on the low. I'm going to the economic calendar. Hold on. What's today? Wednesday, right? 15th. All right. They were forecasting ADP employment. Previous was 242. They had a forecast of 261 and they came in at 145. Holy Jesus, that's not good. That's not good. Total trade imbalance. They call it the total U.S. trade balance. It should be the U.S. trade imbalance. Damn, that went up. We were 69 billion in the hole. Now we're 70 and a half. That's a 1.5 billion. No, it's not 1.5. Yeah, it's a $1.5 billion difference, bro. Holy
People
Jesus.
don't understand how much money that is. I think somebody explained it to me how much money that is. Um,
That came in even. ISM services. Yeah, you're right. Get unemployment tomorrow. Anyway, your market is from what I'm looking at, your market's not doing too damn good here, buddy.
which one? Well, let's see what
Looking at the
happens. I
spy.
see. I see. If I look at the spy on my 4 hour, I see it downtrending. It's kind of starting that downtrend. On my hourly, I see it that it's downtrending. That channel that you was drawing, that you draw on the cues.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay. Um, I thought it was overextended. So let's do this. That's where I had
Well,
it.
I'm looking at the Qs or at TQQQ, which is the bull ETF for the Qs, and it's an oversold territory on the all the way up to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what it says on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, it's oversold like nobody's business. It's ready for a bounce.
So my TQQQs. Let's see. Okay, I'm doing pretty
It's
good.
prime for a bounce. Bro, I want to know why Lyft yesterday. There was no news that I could find. None. Lyft came all the way back down. I had them at this $9 resistance area, right? It came back down to $9.03 yesterday, and then it bounced,
Hold on, where are you?
right? I'm on Lyft right now. But the thing is, it bounced all the way up to $9.59. It bounced 48 cents yesterday on no news. There was no news.
But remember what Sergio said last time? They were manipulating their numbers,
Yeah, but the numbers aren't out right now. All you got going on right now is the new guy coming in.
and he did say he was going to change some things.
Yeah, but
And he said he was getting like the long trips. He was going to have an incentive, like a bonus, for the trip coming back.
yeah, and we were talking about that last night in our little huddle, our little group meeting.
Hmm.
Um,
But that's what he's
we were
saying.
talking about
Doesn't necessarily mean what he's going to
Lyft,
do.
Lyft, Lyft possibly getting rid of shared rides.
Yeah, get ready, share rides and stops. I'm hoping. No, I'm sorry. Hopefully, if they get rid of shared rides, okay. But I'm hoping that they get rid of the stops.
Only one stop.
You know,
I don't. If it's going to be one stop, but I mean,
like when they do like
got to
five
take.
stops, it's like no. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. See, they don't. I don't think. I think every time I do it, I don't get paid to sit there and wait.
No, you don't.
Okay.
You never get paid to
Um.
sit there and wait.
So it's automatic cancel. And when people say, "Oh, I'm gonna add a stop," I was like, "Don't add the stop. I don't get paid for it."
That's it,
It's like
bro.
you just when you get there, just call another cab. No, I never say that. I get pissed. Are you sure you want to do that? Just put a stop. I'm like, you know,
Right? Oh man. Oh, there were some good contracts up yesterday that would have been pretty good.
okay, where am I here?
A couple good contracts I looked at yesterday that would have been good. Ah,
Let me see. Spy lift. There is spy.
oh man. All right, we're starting to see a little movement.
Uh
The
huh.
VIX is coming down. Dollar's still under 102. We need that dollar. We need the Dixie to get it back up over 102. 10-year yield is starting to move up a little bit. The 20-year Treasury bonds starting to come down a little bit. What's gas and oil doing? All right,
So
oil is still holding steady at that $80 a barrel, but XOM is moving up, which is Chevron for my layman friends.
see, I don't know what none of that stuff means. I really don't.
Oil, barrel, oil, homie, oil.
No, no, no. I know that. I just don't know what it means. Like I know it's up. I know.
Well,
I know. Well, yeah. I mean,
well, if oil is up, you're either making money off of it or you're paying a shit ton more at the gas pump. We are so layman, bro. It's not even funny. We are
all
so
I know
layman
is
about it.
that it went up.
We're everyday boys.
It
We're
hasn't. You know
everyday
that over
boys.
here hasn't gone up yet. At least for me. I mean, I haven't checked it today. Yesterday didn't go up.
Shit, I've seen it. I've seen it now. Where the gas stations were, 315, 320, or now they're 350, 360.
Mine's still under $3. I'm about to buy a hydrogen generator, and I'm putting that crap in my car, like being literal.
No, bro. Hey, without saying what it was, how'd you like that picture I sent you last night?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know. The color didn't fit your image. I think you maybe needed like a dollar collar,
Are you
like a flat
are,
color,
are you
like a no,
are you telling
not red.
are you telling me I'm a bad man? Are you telling me I'm a
No,
bad
no,
man?
no. It's just
You telling me
maybe it was just the way you took the
that color
picture.
that I'm not angelic, that I'm not angelic, that I can't be pure like that? You're telling me I got a dark cloud over me that I'm that motherfucker?
Yeah, no,
Is that what you're telling me?
just wait till you step on it. You're gonna be stepping on it for a
Uh,
while.
that was Ron's, by the way.
That was Ron's.
Yeah, that was Ron's.
Oh, oh,
I was gonna take it for a spin, but the way he had his seat set up, it was extremely, extremely uncomfortable for me, and I didn't want to move it around. I didn't want to disturb where he's got
what are
the.
you talking about? He's got a button that puts it exactly where he needs it every time.
Oh, so I was going through some of those buttons, bro, like your Sentry mode and your
Yeah,
cameras and the AC, and the only thing that he was explaining to me in the rental is when he got the car, he got it brand new. It had like 3 miles on it.
yeah, that's the best.
So he's the only one that's had the car. He's been renting it since January. It's the only one that's got the car, right? And for the first month, he had internet. He said it's the fastest internet he's ever seen. But after the first
Right?
month, the internet, yeah, he's got internet in the car.
I know he's got
Free data.
internet, but the fastest he's ever seen.
Well, yeah, without picking on Ron, he's a little behind us. So we got the markets trying to fluctuate back up to opening opening levels. So I'm watching y'all, but I ain't doing nothing. Trust me.
Don't you y'all
Eddie and I
me.
just
You ain't from
we're
Texas,
just hey man, hey
y'all.
man, hey man, hey man. You don't want none of mine, man. Let me tell you, man. I come for your ass, man. Tu culo, maricón. I come for you, man.
By the way, I think I got a strike on one of the
What?
lives,
For what? For who?
the Rideshare
Why
Garage.
are you getting this?
I don't know. I really don't know.
All right, I got to change. I'm going to change the introduction today, because I can't have nobody getting strikes because that music is off Canva. That's Canva music.
I don't know. I don't know what it was. I was trying to read it, and it was just I think YouTube right now just doesn't like us. They just plainly
Well,
just don't
no,
like us.
I was talking with Ron about that last night too, and I said that I think there's some shadow banning type of stuff
Yeah, this
happening for multiple reasons, but it's okay. It's okay. We make good content. They cannot stop it. They might not show it, but they can't stop it. Anyway, what the hell is we talking about, bro? You interrupted. Anyway, so I didn't want to change his seat, but it's pretty cool, man. There's a lot of functions in that car. You know, it's a lot of functions. He was explaining to me, where it excels. The couple of issues that he might have every now and then with like Premier Rides. People see it's a Tesla and they're like, out. They'll decline. They'll cancel the ride.
yeah, thinking that they're overpaying and stuff. That's what
Yeah,
I'm thinking.
on the Model 3, you know. But the fact that he's been renting the car since January, bro, we're in April. He loves the car. Absolutely loves it. He loves the car.
But yeah,
The other
it
thing
really
too
gets
is,
addicted. Did he tell you why he loves it though? Did he tell like all the features and stuff that makes him like really like it?
yeah, and he likes the fact that he doesn't have to spend a shit ton of money on gas. He likes that every 10,000 miles, Hertz makes him take it to whoever Pep Boys, AutoZone, whatever, and they do an inspection on the car and
Yeah,
whatever it needs,
you know what
they change
you
it
know what
for
their
you.
inspection is, right? They just look at it.
Well, his last inspection, they gave him two new tires.
So they just look at
He
the
just
car.
bought the car,
Yeah,
but he just bought the car and you needed two tires already. What the fuck is that?
that's the case. That the Hertz they can't touch. I mean, not Hertz. Pep Boys. Is it Pep Boys?
Yeah, I think it's Pep
Pep
Boys.
Boys. They can't touch the car. They can't do anything to it. The only thing they do is they look at it.
The-
They just go like that. They go there. They look at it. Okay,
but
it
what
needs
I'm saying
tires.
is, why would he need two new tires after 4 months,
Yeah,
3 months?
it eats the tires. I'm telling you, it eats the tires. Huh.
If you're telling me I'm gonna have to put new tires on this bitch every 3 months, I don't see the benefit because tires are $200 a piece.
Well, stop buying $200 tires, and or stop stepping on it. I bet you Ron steps on it. I bet you he
I
doesn't.
don't
I
know.
bet you he doesn't have it on chill mode. I bet you he has it on standard mode. Okay, standard mode,
I
zero
don't
to
know.
60 in like what is it, like 4.8 seconds? It does 0 to 6. They all do 0 to 60. The cheapest one, the slowest one, does 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. And I bet you
That's
he's got it on standard mode. If he
that's
would,
crazy,
if he
dude.
was to put it on chill mode, which is what I did because it damn thing is fast, you know, and it eats away your
It's
tires
crazy.
because he's always stepping on it. So that's what I think he's doing.
Insanity, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Insanity. I would I don't know, but if tires are gonna rip that quick, oof.
No, tires rip that
All
quick
right, we
because of
got
how you drive.
all right, listen, we just got some really bad news in the market,
What's so bad news? Bad news.
right? Well, the last thing, the ISM just came out. The report was not good, yet the market's going up.
Well, let it react. I want to see what it does.
Oh, I'm watching it. The dollar is shooting down. Weak, weak fucking dollar, man. Weak. Sorry for the language, bro. That's probably why you're getting strikes. You got an angry white guy on your podcast. You know they don't like angry white guys.
No.
but we got a pop off that, right? I'm watching Nvidia and Tesla, which Tesla, bro, like I said, Tesla came all the way down below 187 today, man. Bam, 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 hitting my guy during my ranges. It's easy, bro. It's too easy. Too easy.
Hold on, let me look at Tesla because I'm looking.
Bonds up, yields down. It's like face down, ass up. That's the way we like to. Oh, don't stop. Get it, get it. I haven't taken a trade at all yet. I'm chill mode right now, bro. Very, very chill mode. I might not make a trade till 11 a.m. Shit. It's Wednesday. I don't work on Wednesdays, so
You don't work on
I got to
Wednesdays?
make content today. I try not to work on Wednesdays. But anyway, back to the Tesla. Because I don't see anything, nothing here that I'm looking at. I know you guys can't see it. Wait a minute. I'll let you see it. Hold on. I'll let you guys see it. Cancel. Don't stop. Get it. Don't stop. Get it. Why is my camera frozen? Oh, that's a virtual cam.
I'm gonna put my fib right here.
There it is. Here it is, y'all. Here it is, y'all. Bam. Get it, homie. Nothing I see here right now on these charts tickles my manhood. Nothing here right now is tickling my manhood. Not a damn thing. Nothing.
How many charts you got up there? 4?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Oh, 11 charts.
12, 13.
13. He's looking at 13 charts. I'm just looking at two. Two. One on my left and one on my right. The one on my
I'm just
left.
saying, nothing here is getting me excited.
No, Rafi. No. Listen, you want to know how it holds up after 100K miles? You got to see how it holds up after 300,000. 300,000 miles. You know that I have seen some people that are still on the original batteries of the car and they have over 1 million miles in the car. The degradation on the
That's
batteries are
craziness,
so
bro.
little. The degradation is so little that they don't even bother uh, replacing the battery. Not only that, what they've been doing is that there's this other company, I forgot what the name is, and what they do is because who the hell wants to spend 35 grand on brand new batteries? You know, so what they do, why can't they just replace the cells that are bad? So what this company does is that it takes each individual, I guess, cell. I don't know. It's divided into different sections, the Tesla batteries, and each cell has a whole bunch of batteries in it. So they just find out which cell is bad, and they just replace it. All right, and then they sync it with all the other batteries. So instead of spending 35 grand, you might just spend like two or three thousand bucks. All right, and you got a brand new battery with all your range. But the degradation of the Tesla batteries, because of how they're made, all right, and because Elon Musk has these damn chemists in there, dude, I'm telling you, look
All
up
right.
on
All right.
YouTube Teslas with 1 million miles in their batteries. Ooh,
We got some dumping going on in areas. SPY right now is trying to come down to this support area of 407. But I see NASDAQ is dumping. Futures are kind of, I don't know. Futures are kind of in the middle. This might be just a whipsaw day, bro.
it could be. I see Tesla is just off.
Tesla's already made its move to the bottom, right? It came all the way down to looks like 187.23, but it's hanging around this little mini support. Nvidia's hanging around this little mini support.
Okay, let's see what Tesla does. I just right now I am in my paper trading. Oh, Tesla is really going down right now. Let me see if I can just make a quick
It
trade right
is.
here.
It is. Tesla's on the low. Fang.
Here is SPY. My SPY is
Tesla.
taking down, trailing down. I'm just waiting.
Tesla.
I'm just waiting for a decision. Now Tesla is coming up to yesterday's low
Oh, Tesla's way yesterday's low.
on the
Tesla's
SPY.
way below
No, on the
yesterday's low.
SPY. On the SPY. I'm sorry, on the SPY.
Oh, well, you said Tesla, my brother.
Yeah, no, I'm watching Tesla. I'm just doing a quick trade on Tesla right now on my paper trading account. It is because on Tesla, let me see, let me put it right up. So I got the cross. I missed it. I missed. I was not even paying attention. I got the cross on my 2 minute, my 3 minute. Just got the cross. All right. 5 minute. It's about the cross. My green line over the yellow line, and or my 9 EMA over my under my VWAP, going under my VWAP. And I'm just gonna see if I catch a quick move to the downside. But I'm technically like pushing it because I should have taken it earlier when it crossed.
Yep.
That's why.
Yep. Well,
So
that's why I'm doing the Dom, bro. Sitting on my hands, homie.
here was my shot the first time, and this will be my second try. This will be my first pullback, all right, and then it just went. Now here's my second pullback, and it's just going. So this will be my second pullback. Play the second, don't play the third. But quick trade. Um,
Yeah, I don't see nothing.
yeah,
Nothing is really. I got a put dialed up on Tesla, but I don't want to force the trade. This is where you get in trouble when you start forcing trades. You got to let the trades come to you, man.
yeah. No,
The
that's
setups have
well.
got to show up. It might be a meltdown. It might be a slow meltdown today. You know what I mean? It might be a steady diet of up and down, up and down, up and down, but that's not good for premiums.
It's wicking on my 9 EMA. So which one am I?
Well, that's why we're watching your chart because nothing's making me
But I
want
gotta
to.
see if I lose about 10%, then I'm just gonna get myself out. But it looks like
Yeah.
it's double bottom right here
Where? On what?
on Tesla. On the
On what time
I'm just
level?
watching the 2 minute.
On the 2 minute. Okay.
It's kind of like on the 3 minute you could see that it's on the 3 minute you can see that it's kind of like settling right here.
Well, it looks that way.
So, but let me see because I just got the cross here. So, and it's wicking right at the 9 EMA. So I'm giving it a shot here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Let me pull up the SPX. If I'm going to swing, I'm going to swing today. I'm not trusting stocks. So if I'm going to swing, I'm going to swing on. I'm going to swing for the fences. See what I want to swing at though.
Okay, I just see downward movement. Let me see. I got the cross. I mean, I got the. See, it's not going. It's not going. All right. I'm gonna sell this. Okay, so I got out of my contracts. There we go. I think there's a 3.85% loss, whatever. I should just automatically see how I look at it. I should just automatically see downward movement, and I should be up 5% like automatically. So it's not doing it. So I just got in and out, in and out, in and out.
Well, like I say, to me, it just seems like it's a it's made its move down this morning so far, and now it's just waiting on the next catalyst, which I don't know what that next catalyst is going to be.
But how is SPY doing?
Bitcoin must be down this morning. Has to be. Waiting. I've got there it is. Boom. I'm going to try to grab 2 of these SPX contracts for the 40/50 40/50 put for today. All right, I'm in at 132 on the average price. Shouldn't be doing this, but I don't see anything bringing this market back up right now.
Now I'm gonna go into my SPY paper trading account, and I already have my put here set up.
32 should be 145. We're gonna set some orders in right now. I bought 2 of these contracts. I put 220 at risk. So we want to get 10% out right off the rip. We want to try to get 10% out, which would be 145. All right, let's do that. We're going to sell 1 here at this level.
Well, I don't know about holding on for the future, because if you go into Tesla right now, they're actually cheaper getting them directly from Tesla. They're buying them on the streets. So I do not know how long
Yes,
that's gonna.
sir.
I don't know, because people want Teslas. A lot of people have been looking to buying Teslas,
Well, I would say if you're going to
and they're
jump on a
cheap.
Tesla, you better if you're going to jump on a Tesla, bro, you might want to seriously consider it right now.
Yeah,
Like seriously consider it, because interest rates are going to keep going up. That's not stopping anytime soon. Used cars are going to be in high demand because people ain't got no money. And gas is going up, bro. Gas is going to go back up. Like, it's going to happen.
I'm gonna buy. Okay, great. All right, there we go. I am in one put. What is that? At 80. So it's an $80 investment here on
For
SPY.
what stock?
Put
On SPY? Okay.
SPY, same day. I can see that it's just coming right under this VMA. The cross just happened to the downside. It is consolidating, but let's see.
I forced this trade. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I forced it. I forced this trade. I sat here
Which
this
one?
morning and
Which
said,
one?
I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I'm in a little SPX put. I'm in a 450 SPX put. Here, I'll bring up my poopy squat. Give me a second. This was a bad trade. This was me forcing the trade like an idiot.
See, I'm getting now. I'm getting that nervous feeling.
Why are you getting nervous,
I don't
dude?
know. I don't know.
Don't get nervous, bro. Don't get nervous.
But I'm gonna take this.
Don't be a little, as you say, don't be a little sissy girl.
So I'm gonna put my stop right here at what is this? See, I can't put my stop on the stock itself when it gets to this point. So I have to go into my option right here, and I'm gonna put it right down here, 65. I'm gonna move it right here to my 65, and I'm just gonna leave it there. There we
All
go.
right. So I'm going to bring up my chart so people can see what I'm doing. There it is. So now you can see what's going on there. Purple line is what I'm in at, 132. I'm trying to get I got 2 contracts in. SPY drops below this, or SPX rather. I'm in SPX.
On your
I'm
put,
playing with the big
how
boys.
much is your put? How much is your put? How much money did you put in? Invested.
They were $132 a piece.
Okay. All right.
132 a piece, my friend.
I am technically in the green. Right. Oh man, it's just mine is right under the 9 EMA and it's wicking. So I'm seeing downward movement. So the MD strategy, I guess you want to call it.
Yep.
It came
The
all
mat.
it came
Okay.
all the way up. 407.24 was yesterday's low. It came all the way up to this high right here of 409.29. Now it's all the way back down. Right before the 407.24 is consolidating right under it. So, and I got my cross. My lines are pretty spread out. My 200 is showing downward movements. So I just got to sit there and just let's see.
Bro, you see gold is shot through the roof, right?
Um,
It's almost at an all-time high.
oh,
It's over. It's $2,040 an ounce yesterday at close. Craziness.
2000 what?
Everybody, huh? $2,040 an ounce.
My big bro bought them when it was like $1,000.
Did he know?
Yeah.
Well, it the thing about gold is it'll always be the daddy. The old man. It's the daddy as far as protection. Value and all of that good stuff. But that shit fluctuates too.
Man, I would love to buy like a
Like
whole
it
bunch of
all
gold jewelry.
fluctuates.
I would love to buy like a whole bunch of gold jewelry and melt it down and just keep making bricks.
Well, I mean, you can do that.
But I don't know if
You
you
just
can
gotta.
get I don't know if you can get the
But how
other
do you
metals that
test
are
if
in it.
it's pure
Yeah.
gold?
See, that's the thing. I don't
That's
know.
what I mean. You got to make sure it's pure gold. There's videos out there, man. I've seen a couple of those channels where these guys smelt down all kinds of crap, brass, copper, you know. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's in an overall downtrend this morning, but it's whipsawing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. This is what Sergio likes to call the whipsaw, but he's right. He's 100% right. It's a whipsaw. The only other thing we got coming up, and it's going to be a while. It's only 10:20. Is going to be Euro close. That's it. So we could see this market flip the other way real quick, like in a flicking heartbeat.
Well, I'm taking a shot right here,
Ah,
but I'm like it's like right there. I mean it's 80 what it cost me and I have my stop right here at 64. So, but I really, really wanted to this. Oh, I really want this to hold on to this 9 EMA right here. Just hold on to it, and just go past this 407.27 point.
well, we got a little. Looks like we got a little zone here where at least SPX is trying to bounce in this little zone here. So, really not sure what this is going to want to do in this zone. right? We got we got a lower day in this area, and now it's consolidating right here. We got to see what it does here. Am I going to take the loss on these contracts? Or are we going to make some money? What's it going to be? What you going to do when they come for you?
There it goes. See, it's gonna hit my stop. 64 right now. It's my stop. 66, 60, 67, 66. Yep. Okay,
One,
I'm out.
three,
It just hit my stop.
shoulder, head, shoulder, drop, shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. And there she goes, way the other direction on me.
Uh huh.
Ooh, excuse me. Where's everybody else at this morning? I see we got like 3 people watching. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are having an absolute wonderful morning. I went risk on when I should have went risk off here.
No, we were anticipating the market in a particular direction.
I still don't trust it. Looking at SPY coming up on the 2-minute to a VWAP. Let's see if it's going to reject VWAP on the 2-minute chart.
Yeah, see? So now I can't trade no more on my live paper trading account.
Why? Oh, that was a live trade. Gotcha. Yeah,
But I'm
see,
going.
everything's just it's just in a small range. I'm not getting nervous yet. I'll wait and see. I might take a big loss on these contracts. I might take $100 hit on these contracts. I got to see what SPX does at 4,100.
And usually when SPY moves, Tesla stays nice and calm, goes up slowly.
Nope. Here. Where am I? Oh, I thought we were on your chart. Would you
Oh,
change it?
no, I didn't change it. You did.
Oh, that's where I'm at. It's still early. I can sit on these contracts. Just, I'm not seeing anything that's like, I'm telling you, it's all whipsaw. Shouldn't have forced this trade, but I did. So we're in it. See if it works out in my favor.
I had a pretty good shot here, I believe, on SPY. It was doing what I usually see, but it turned around the other way. But I
Okay.
still saw downward. See what happens when it gets to the 200, to my 200 right here. So see if it hits it and it turns around. It's a big ass wick right here on the VWAP.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
So it could turn.
Spike came up, tapped the VWAP, broke above it. Big wick trying to push it back down. If you got the big wick to the top, you got to watch it. If it's a green candle and you got a big wick up top, that means it's trying to push down, but they're trying to buy it up.
I need to go chopping. Chopping, chopping, chopping.
What you got to buy, bro? What do you got to buy? What do you got to buy?
Well, I have a particular list here of of a diet that I'm gonna follow strict, very, very strict.
Okay.
Um, So, I mean, it's got Ezekiel bread. I don't know where the hell to get Ezekiel bread,
Right.
but I have to like sit there for like I have to sit like it's gonna take me a whole entire. I'm telling you, it's gonna take me a whole entire day to look through this menu, put it together, make my snacks, cook the food, but I have to cook it for the whole entire week. That's the thing.
Okay.
So I have to take a full day to be able to do this.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that reminds me. God dang it, Goose.
Oatmeal. I love oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Yeah, oatmeal's
S-
all right.
Dinner, broccoli. Snack, smooth peanut butter, no added salt. I didn't know we could have peanut butter. 2 tablespoons. So I might have to buy containers to keep everything.
What's today? Wednesday, right?
No, I think it's Sunday.
I got to keep an eye on this other stock. Where'd I put it in? Rideshare. I didn't put it in anything. Give me Marathon Digital. As gold goes up, as silver goes up.
Oh, look at this. See, and this is where the if I would have held on, but at the end of the day, that's not part of the strategy. Look at the SPY. 407.22. That's what I wanted. It to
Yep, my
break the
con.
407.22. Now Tesla, I'm anticipating this break right here of 187.08. Let's see if it does it. It doesn't want to go. See that on Tesla on my paper trading, it's I see.
I might take a little Mara trade today. MARA digital coal. Mara is a publicly traded Bitcoin mining company. MARA. But I like where they're bouncing at. I might actually take a live trade on Mara.
Live paper trading, yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's down 37 cents today. But if the market crashes, Bitcoin's going to rip. It's finally correlated back with gold and silver. With our US government's push towards getting rid of Bitcoin so that the central bank can have their digital goddamn currency.
Oh yeah. Damn it. That's like look at Spy Man, it's like really whipping back and forth.
We're going to take a stop loss. We're going to put a stop loss on this and a take profit. It's down, what, 3% today? So we'll go for a 10% to the upside. We'll do a 1-to-1. Actually, we're going to put in a tight stop loss. Put in a 5% stop loss. Might take 3 of these, just 3 little shares, just to play around. Bitcoin is hitting this area here. Real consolidation in this area here.
Come on, 13 seconds left. On the 3 minute candle on Tesla. Hold on, I keep looking at Tesla. Let me put SPX here.
I'll put in a buy order for $8. What's 8 times 5 is what? $40?
40. Yep. Come on, Reggie, come on. So on my 2 minute, it looks like it's bouncing off of the VWAP. On my 3 minute, it's just doing the same thing off the VWAP. It's just it's not making a decision. But technically, I made the move on Tesla. It would have been right here in the beginning of the day. I don't know, for Tesla, I kind of just see more down. It's just the downward pressure is like right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of downward pressure on the entire market. Dollar's starting still not back up where it needs to be. Dollar needs to get over 102, man.
Oh, wow, the TQQQs are coming down.
Yeah, that's because the market's coming down. As long as if the market continues to go down, TQQQ is the bull. It's the bull ETF for the Qs, and SQQQ is the short. No one's chatting today, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, no.
Everybody's quiet. Everybody's
Everybody's
quiet.
what? They trying to see if I lose my money.
All right, we got a couple things going on here.
And I've been looking at Teslas too. See if I can put another one. But put this one under my business account. Definitely put it under my business account.
So I got to go find a CPA. I got to find a CPA, and once I get I need some confirmation on that creator, influencer, whatever, and what I can
Content
put under
creator.
that content creator, and see
Yeah,
what all entails.
there's a list under the IRS, I believe, that gives you the things that you can put in there and not put in there.
There is.
I think so. Yeah, the IRS gives you a list. The
Well, the
CPA should be able to give it to you.
but here's the thing, right? If 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 you're a content creator and you're doing trading, if you're doing well, no, let me rephrase that because we're rideshare people first, right? Here
Yeah,
it
but
comes.
when it
I
comes
know
to
this is
day
gonna fucking
trading, yeah,
crash.
when it comes to day trading, that's, I mean, if you put day trading on the content creation, you can't. There's a lot of things that you won't be able to deduct.
Right. But if I open up an LLC under content creator for rideshare gig apps, that
Uh
means my
huh.
Uber and Lyft earnings should be able to fall under that LLC
Yeah,
because that's
correct.
what I
Because
have to
driver,
do what I
yeah.
got to do, right, as a driver. So I just want to make sure that whatever expenses I incur, I can put that under that LLC because on the 18th, we're gonna have a new I'm gonna have a new series starting on the 18th. The 18th is going to be a big day for me. The 18th.
So, well, I don't know what's going to be happening, but I have to. I talked to my CPA, and I have to move, keep everything, business, and then whatever, because I have a lot of personal expenses. So keep everything, pay myself a little bit, okay, and then just withdraw the rest because it's just these taxes really kill, man. Kill if you don't put your deductions in there.
Uh huh. No, I hear you.
Let's see what we got here. Looking at mine. See, I'm looking at my SPY right here. Do a quick trade here, but on my paper trading account,
Hey, calm down. Come
come on, SPY. It looks like it wants to. You look like you want to.
Interesting. That is interesting. Okay. That is very interesting there. I might pop out of these. I'm going to pop out of this one contract right now.
Okay. See the SPY is like it's right there, but it's not moving on my times and sells.
Right.
Oh, now it's moving. Now it's moving. Okay. I'm gonna give it a try here. I'm gonna give it a go.
You going to the upside or the downside?
Downside. Going to the downside. See, we're slowing down. But I put my stop is very short, 5 6. Because I wanted to see a pop, and I give it a couple of seconds to go. If it doesn't, then I just get out. Watching it. I'm watching it. See that? I'm gonna give it a little bit, see if it wants to go. If not, I'm just gonna get out. And I usually, when I get out market because sometimes it doesn't fill.
I don't know, man. I'm still holding on to these little puts here. Now I'm starting to look at some. I'm looking at I'm in a 30-minute chart on SPX now.
Come on, lower
15-minute
7
chart.
15. 7 15. I know you want to go. Just do it. Do it. Do it.
I'm gonna let you play your chart out, and then I'll bring mine up. I hope Wes is all right this morning.
Do it. There it goes. See, I bet you people got in this big red candle right here, anticipating it for it to keep going, and it didn't, and it came right back up. But this is
Right.
usually what I look for. It comes down like this, boom, and it just goes. And now I play this one right here, this candle right here, okay, and I'm just gonna play it to the downside. I am 8.2%, so I'm gonna sell half of these.
Oh God.
Come on, sell my options. Okay, sold. Right? Yep, sold. Now I'm gonna hold on to the other ones, break even.
God damn, that shit went up. What the fuck?
Oh, 15, 13. I'm gonna sell some of these. I'm gonna sell two more. I bought 10.
All right. You in a paper trade or live paper trade?
Paper trade.
All right.
Paper
Well, there.
trade. You guys,
Let
you
me
guys
bring
can't.
mine up.
You
There
guys
it
can't
is. One
see it.
contract is sold out. That's one contract. It looks like it's sold. Yep. I got one contract out there. SPX is flying down now. So we're hunting 4060 on the SPX. This is on the I got my SPX on the I'll bring it up on the 2-minute chart. We're looking to hit this break, see if we're going to break this 4070 first to get to 4060. If it does, it's going to make this contract huge. Huge.
Huge.
Make,
It's
make my trading
huge.
account
Huge.
great again. We want to make my trading account great again.
Oh, 28, 30%. Nice. 31, 32. I don't care what it does after that. Nice.
I need this to go huge. I
Well,
want to take.
see that,
Go ahead.
and this is the thing. This is okay. This is why I'm in and out, which I noticed, which is this. See, I was expecting this to go down. You know, with the big candle, it's wicking. You know, I was expecting it to go, but it didn't. It just took right back up to the 200, but it came back down. And see this red candle right here, this big giant red one.
Uh huh.
If I was paying, I would have got in. If I was playing it, if I was looking at it, I would have got in expecting it to break, and it didn't. It came right back up, so I would have had a loss. And then
Mm.
so I would have made three trades here, and the third one was the one that actually gave me.
That
And
was
I will
that
play,
was
and I will play the second candle. Second candle is where I would sell,
okay.
and this is on the 2 minutes.
Now that's the mat.
That's the what?
Is is that the mat strategy or that's just your Your
No, that's
normal
just
strategy.
my normal. Basically, if I'm playing the 2 minute, you have one big candle and you have one second big candle usually, and that's I take that second candle is where I would play. So if I'm playing the 3 minute, okay, if I'm playing the 3 minute, then I will wait for the next 3 minute candle and then sell on
Okay.
that. But
Gotcha.
this did it on my 2 minute.
Tesla's flushing. What? What's Tesla doing?
And here is where I would play the pullback. That's not flushing. So I think a good place to start is 1,000.
All right. Well, here's a heads up. We're looking for Tesla 185, 185.86 is going to be a hard support area for Tesla. It's getting down there.
Let me see
Got a
where's
slight
my
pullback going on right now on SPX. I'm still holding one contract. Could have probably took both those contracts at 10%, but I'm still not convinced. I am not convinced this is still not going to pull back.
well, Tesla's doing a pullback after the break. SPY is doing the pullback.
I
I
need to
just
see
need
what
I need my
what
perfect
I'm
setup.
what I'm looking for here is I'm looking to see if SPX breaks above this red trend line, which I don't think it's going to do. By the way,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to send you something real quick. I'm going to text it to you.
Do, 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 do.
I'm going to text you something real quick. Just don't, you can react, but don't say it. Okay? You understand?
Copy that.
You can react, but don't say what it is.
Okay, I'll shut the mic off.
It's on the way. Shh. Don't say shit. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. That's right. Keep your mic off. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Bro, if they can read your lips, everybody's like, what the hell is he doing?
What are you talking about?
Exactly. All right. Remember what I was just saying about SPX? So we're still riding in this contract. It's going my way. It's going my way. Contract's going my way. We're up 15, 16% on this contract. See how quick they move, bro? I think I'm going to put a sell order in.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
I want to put a sell order in for one. Oh, shit. I'm glad I didn't put in at 170 where I said I wanted it to go because look at this thing ride out. We'll put this contract in for $2.
There we go. I'm gonna try again. Buy 10 puts here.
All right, we got this contract in for a $2 sell. See there? $2 sell is what we're looking at. This contract could really ride. But we're not going to get greedy. We're looking for 200 on this contract. We're at 195. Can we fill
Oh, give me my
200?
5.
Can we fill 200? Can we fill 200? There it is. It's gone. Bam! I don't know if everybody else can hear my damn what's going on here, but and there it is. There it is. Up $86 today total. We came in at 555. We're at 636. So was that $79? How much is that, bro? Is that $81? Let's bring up the calculator. 636 minus 555 equals $81 on the day. One trade. That's more than I made all last night sitting out there driving for Uber and Lyft. This is why you got two guys trying to make their way out of rideshare and move their asses up into something a little bit better. Bam! I feel good right now, bro. Because this is the type of market where I usually lose my ass. When it's whipsawing like this, there's no clear direction on the shorter time frames. This is what I'm talking about. And now I'm looking at Mara, MARA, is now down at 807. I'm probably going to pick up five shares at $8. I want to wait and see what it does. Yeah, buddy.
Here is my Tesla. I'm looking at Tesla right now. Hold on. I got my SPY right here. I got my Tesla right here. Oh, it's just such a pain. One keeps going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
All right. Yes. I feel good, bro. Nobody's responding, but that's okay.
That's
It's a
fine.
good positive trade. That's a good positive trade. And I still have, I mean, it's 10:54, so it's almost 11 a.m. Trading's almost done for us today. But I only put out, what was those? 555 minus 262. And I still have roughly $290 that I could trade with today. So I put less than half my account at risk. Percentage is good, bro. That's a good percentage. It's about 15, 16%. Let me see what the percentage is. Yeah, it's 14%. So I increased I made 14% on my overall account today, which would have equated out to about 23, 24% return on my investment today.
Okay, hold on. Here's Tesla. It's going back down. I just bought in 5 options. Oh, it fluctuated. Like it really popped to the downside and it didn't freaking go. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Hold on, hold on. Let's just start moving down to the downside. Come on, Reggie, come on. In and out all day. See, so that's why it's, again, so much better to get in the beginning of the day.
Uh-huh.
So much better.
All right, Mara's now about to break under my $8 threshold. Let's take a look at Bitcoin.
There it goes.
I got them bottom level on Bitcoin.
Ah,
See, that's the other thing I got
all
to
right.
start paying more attention to now is Bitcoin.
It didn't. It didn't go. It didn't go.
Oh, Mara just slammed. All right, we're gonna wait on Mara. We're gonna wait for Mara to get oversold. Right now, it's not oversold, but it's getting close.
Oof! Come on, Tesla. I just need a big pop to the downside. I want to grab my 5%.
Oil is absolutely retreating.
Ooh, there is six. Six. Don't care. 6.87%. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes.
Get your money, Hoss. Get your money, boss. Get your money, baby. Celebrate. Celebrate.
Oh, I can't do the cha-ching. Hold on.
You're not hearing none of that, are you?
No.
I got to fix that, man. I don't know if anybody out there, whoever's listening, if they could hear it or not. But I
Voice.
think my sound effects, yeah, but I think I screwed something up. I got to have it ready for tonight.
Oh, look
Oh,
at it. Just keeps going.
who cares if
Cha-ching.
it keeps going? You got your money. You got your money. You took your profit.
So, if I was to go into my, I'm gonna switch over into my paper trading. I would have made 127 for today.
Okay, that's a good day.
Yeah, it
That's a
was
good
just that.
day.
So how I've been doing it lately is basically anticipating. So
It's a good day, bro. That's a good day.
that it's gonna break to the downside. Man, you could see it. Like it breaks, but then it comes right back up. So you sell anticipating that, I sell anticipating that's gonna go, it's gonna turn around. It's like, damn it. But it comes right back down and continues. But this is usually what I like doing. Like when you buy right here, it's coming down, it broke, and it just continues to the downside. All right, I don't even know what's gonna do right now, but I really don't care because I'm technically done for today. We'll do it again tomorrow. But now that you see why, I don't know. So I think Sergio was right. $1,000 should be it. It should be something where you can like, because getting in and out. Look at Spy, such a good opportunity. Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I get in? Let me
I don't
see.
know, can you?
Quick trade. Two. I see more downward movement.
I don't want to know.
No, nope, nope, nope.
Keep it on the low.
But but yeah, in and out really quick. But I do it so many times because it just
Right.
it just doesn't break. I'll see my well, I'll see my times in sales that it's moving to the downside like really fast, and orders are coming in,
Okay.
but it just doesn't want to cooperate. Like it goes, like it'll start coming down, and it'll be like, it'll come down and be like, "Oh, I faked you out, bitch," and I try to do it again, and faked you out, bitch, and then like you're in and out, and
Oh God. He said, I faked you out, bitch.
yeah.
I faked you out, bitch. I faked you out, bitch. That's funny, bro. That's funny. That's funny.
So look at this. So all right, so there was one right here, right? You know, you got a nice little down, right?
Uh-huh.
Bottomed out, turn right back up. Here, it did it again. You know it's gonna break. It doji, doji, doji. It came right back up, faked you out. You're like, God damn it, you know. So I don't hold on. I just get out.
Okay.
All right, and then it'll do it again right here. Look, look, this little sucker.
Now what time frame is that on?
This is on a 2 minute. On
All
a
right.
2 minute. All right.
Open up to your 5 minute.
Then-
Does that make it any cleaner for you?
Well, it is, but it's just I keep going back and forth. It'd be my two, my three, and my five. See which one looks more cleaner. But on the 2 minute, it was looking a little bit more cleaner because it was coming up. It was coming up to my VWAP. See how it came up to the VWAP before the cross, and now it's coming up to the 9 EMA. All right.
Right.
So this one, it was coming right up to the 9 EMA, and I was okay. Great. Look at this big candle, and they go fix that bitch, and then it came right back up.
Well, now look at that downtrend, right?
And
If you
now
draw it,
this one right here, it broke, but then look
all
at
right,
this. It came
all
right
right.
back up again.
Let's do something here. From the top of that double wick, you see that green candle? See the green candle where it's touching you? It looks like
Uh-huh.
it's touching your VWAP. You got a wick to the top, wick to the bottom, undecided candle. I want
Where
you
are
to
you?
draw a channel.
Right here?
Nope. Come back up a little bit. Come back a little bit. Right in, nope. Keep coming.
This
Right
one.
there. That candle. Okay.
Okay.
Take and put a trend, regression trend, channel trend from the top of that wick down to where it currently is now.
You talking about data trend price, whatever?
No, the regression trend. See where it says trend channel? The one above that.
No, no, wait, hold on.
Go back where you were.
Uh-huh. Trend
See
channel?
where it's trend channel. Draw from
Yeah.
the top of that, draw from the top of that wick down to where it currently is now. Top of the candle, top of the candle. Oh, not that
Wait.
way. The other way. No, to the
Like
bottom of
that?
no. From there, now draw it all the way down. Follow the trend down. There you go. To the last candle where you're at right now. Now you see what that's showing you?
Yeah.
So bring it down a little bit. Bring the overall chart down. Okay, stop. Look at your little pullbacks, and then a flush.
Uh-huh.
So you technically had one fake out, and then you had a pullback. So it would be where that big red candle towards the top hits the bottom of the trend. You had a little bit of consolidation there, and then it followed through. It flushed down. That
So
would
what?
keep you in a trade to let it run. But
Okay.
it never broke out of that trend. That's the power of the trend lines. Because other than your premiums, like when you're trading options, listen, your premiums are very sensitive, right? But when your overall market trend is coming down, you could actually sit in a contract a little bit. That's why I sat in the SPX contracts like I did, because the overall trend still was coming down. It didn't break out above my trend. That's why I didn't panic. That's why I
I don't
never
know.
panicked out of that trade.
I like it
But
to
trust
automatically
is a
be a
must.
resolution. Yeah, I know. I gotta get
Trust
used
is
to
a
it.
must.
I gotta get used to it because if he keeps going doing this and this and this, I guess that'll come through time.
Yeah, experience, time, experience. Absolutely 100%. 100%. Now I'm going to flip you back to my chart for a minute because if you remember, I said on that SPX, I wanted to wait until here. Let me open up this chart for you. Let me open up this chart so everybody can see what I'm talking about. Again, I said I wasn't going to get out. I wasn't waiting until it broke this trend line. Said I was going to sit. It went through here. I said I was going to sit in it, sit in it, sit in it until it broke that trend. Now it's breaking that trend because we're coming back up. So is this going to create consolidation in here? Is that where we're going to get? I don't know, but I'm out of the trade because I've already made my money. But is it going to consolidate here now for a while? Is that what it's going to do? We don't know. But I don't care. I don't care. I made my money. I made my money. Hardest thing to do is when it gets to that trend line and it breaks above it, right? We start seeing above that trend line. Here, I'll even pull it down a little further for you. Right? People are like, well, is this a fake out? Is it going to go back up? Is it just going to pop up and then and come back? Who cares? Take your profits. Once you get a long-term trend line like this, if it breaks it, it's telling you, listen, get out. Because if it just sits there, your premiums are getting ate up. You're losing money. Anyway, I wanted to show you that.
Well, it is 11 a.m. your time, 10 a.m. my time, and I think we are going to cut the feed
You're a
because
liar,
we
bro.
are.
You're a liar, bro. It's 11:09.
It's 11:09. Yeah, well, 10:09 for me. So technically, it's not 11 yet. So I need to make this bigger. I need to make this bigger. Yeah. All right. Can you do the music?
No, you guys aren't hearing it, but I'll play it anyway. In 3, 2, you
Play
got
it.
your
Play
hand
it.
on the button? You got your hand on the button?
Yeah, for end stream.
Yeah, you got your hand on the
Okay.
button?
Yeah.
All right, I'm in 3, 2, 1.
No. No, I
Just
don't
fake
hear
like you
nothing.
hear it.